Let's go over how to create synchronous online classes in Blackboard. We'll start at our home page and click this tiny little plus sign and you'll get a drop-down menu. Now we want to click on Tool Link. When we click on that, we get a menu and we're choosing Blackboard Collaborate Ultra. Once we click that, we want to make sure it's available to our users. Once we hit Submit, it's going to appear at the bottom of our panel. So I like to go ahead and move it up so that students can find it. So I'm going to put it in the communication section because the Blackboard synchronous classes are going to be more of our communication. Once we do that, we can see that it's there under communication. And we want to click that link. It's going to take us to a screen like this where we can see our classroom. So let's click that. And when we click that demo class, then we get this panel on the right hand side and we want to click Join the Course Room. It takes just a second to load and we're in our classroom. Let's click out of that. We can see that it's here on our main screen again. And that's how we create a synchronous online class session in Blackboard. Good luck!